Baby, we dey vibe on repeat. Body to body, feel the heat. Now you dey make my heart go beat. Come closer, girl, no retreat. We the groove, we no go sleep. All night long till morning grease. Vibe on repeat, vibe on repeat. With your life just sweet. From Lagos down to Port Harcourt, we dey run the town, no time to abort. Your smile shine like morning sun. When you dance, baby, I'm undone.
What if I told you this entire music video you just watched, the vocals, the visuals, the performance was made without a camera, without a singer, and without hiring a single animator? No expensive software, no recording studio, just one clever AI workflow and it could be your next viral hit. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I made it step by step. First, we'll generate the AI vocals. Then, we'll create and animate the virtual artist. And finally, we'll sync everything together and polish it into a scroll-stopping video. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is use ChatGPT to write our song lyrics, chorus, vibe, everything. Now, you can create any kind of song you want. A calm, moody track, a romantic Afrobeat, an American-style pop song, rap, anything. But for this tutorial, I want something hot, vibeable, and danceable, pure Afrobeat goodness. Type in, create a complete Nigerian Afrobeat song with sweet, catchy lyrics, a chorus, and 2 verses. It should be danceable and sound like something Burna Boy, Rema, or Era Star might sing. Then hit generate, and boom, ChatGPT gives you the full song, chorus, verses, and all. You can copy it, tweak a few lines if you like, or use it as is. Now that we've got our full Afrobeat lyrics ready, it's time to bring it to life. We're going to use an AI music tool to actually generate the sound, vocals, beat, and everything in a few clicks. So open your Chrome browser and type Suno AI, then go to their official website. If it's your first time, you'll need to log in with your Google account. It's free to start. Once you're in, click on Create and paste the lyrics we generated from ChatGPT. Now, for the style, choose Afrobeat, or if that's not available, pick a similar upbeat genre like pop or world music. You can even type in the vibe you want, like Afrobeat party vibe like Rema or Burna Boy. Then hit generate and give it a few seconds. Suno AI will create the full song, vocals, chorus, instruments, everything. You can even preview it right there. Go ahead and download the music. Now it's time to create the face of our music video, the artist, and maybe even some backup dancers or extra characters. We'll use AI to generate realistic, high-quality images of the musicians that will perform in our animated music video. You can ask ChatGPT to help you write a detailed prompt. For example, you can type, generate a prompt for a stylish young male Afrobeat artist, wearing sunglasses, standing on stage with colorful lights and a confident pose. Or you can write your own, based on the kind of look you want. Now open your Chrome browser and search for Leonardo AI, then click the official site. If it's your first time, you'll need to sign up, it's free. Or just log in if you already have an account. Once you're inside, go to the Image Generation tab. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT, or type your own. Set the aspect ratio depending on where you're posting your video. I'm choosing 16:9 for YouTube. Then, click Generate. In a few seconds, Leonardo will create a stunning, realistic image of your AI singer or performer, fully ready for animation. Boom! This is our artist, looking clean and stage-ready. Download the image to your phone gallery. You can generate more characters, a backup singer, dancers, DJ, or crowd, whatever fits your video. Now that we've got our AI-generated musician and our song, it's time to bring them to life, make them sing, move, and perform like a real artist. We'll do this using an incredible tool called Dreamina AI, and don't worry, I'll leave all the links you need in the description box below. Go to your Chrome browser and search for Dreamina AI, or use the link in the description. This platform works best in desktop mode, so if you're on a phone, click the 3 dots on Chrome and switch to desktop site. Then, Sign up using your Google, Facebook, TikTok, or email account. Now, here's something important. If you're in some African countries and Dreamina doesn't give you free credits after signing up, try using a VPN. I used Thunder VPN. It's free and works perfectly. Once I turned it on and switched location, I was able to access the free credits. Once you're logged in, go to the AI Avatar Generation section, then click on Lip Sync underneath it. This is where the magic happens. Click the Upload Image button and select the artist image you generated with Leonardo AI. This image will be animated to sing your music. Next, upload your song, the one we generated earlier in Suno AI. Make sure the file is in MP3 format. Note: with the free version of Dreamina AI, you can only animate 10 to 15 seconds of your song per generation. If your song is longer, you can split it or focus on the best part of the chorus. You'll see two options: fast generation and master generation. Here's the difference. Fast generation uses fewer credits, delivers results quickly, and still looks great, highly recommended for beginners. Master generation offers top-quality animation but takes a lot more time, sometimes even hours, and is usually locked behind VIP access. If it's your first time on Dreamina, you may get one free master generation, but honestly, the fast generation is more than enough and way quicker. Once your image and audio are uploaded, click Generate. If you're using your free trial or daily credits, Dreamina gives 120 daily. The video will begin processing. Within a few seconds to a minute, your artist will come to life singing, moving, and lip-syncing perfectly to your AI-generated track. Just look at that. With just a photo and a song, we've created a performance. No camera, no studio, no editing stress. If you've watched this far, please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and let's keep creating magic with AI. Now that we've animated our musician and generated the performance video, let's spice things up by adding dancers or background extras, just like you saw in the intro of this video, where the women were dancing. To do that, we'll use an amazing tool called Kling AI. Open your Chrome browser and search for Kling AI, or simply use the link in the description box. Sign up or log in using your Google or email account. Once you're in, click on the Experience tab at the top of the page. Now click on Image to Video. This is where the magic happens. Upload any image you want to animate. This could be women, dancers, or any extra you want to bring to life in your music video. Next, you'll need to add a prompt. This tells Kling AI how to animate the image. For example, you can type, "a woman dancing energetically," or "two ladies twerking on stage," or "three girls raising their hands and dancing happily," whatever fits your music vibe. To avoid errors like missing legs, hands, or disfigured faces, enter a negative prompt like "cut off limbs, distorted face, deformed body, blurry image." This helps Kling AI give you cleaner and better animations. Now select how long you want the video to be. You can go up to 10 seconds per clip using the free version. Then, click Generate. Kling AI gives 166 free credits monthly, so make good use of it. Once your animated video is ready, go ahead and download it. You'll be amazed at how realistic and exciting these extra clips look. It'll add life and energy to your final music video. Now we have everything: our AI, generated artist, the music, and animated dancers. Next, we'll put it all together using CapCut or any video editor of your choice. 1. Open CapCut and start a new project. Tap on New Project, then import all your video clips. The lip sync video from Dreamina AI. The dance scenes or extras from Kling AI. The background music you generated using Suno AI. 2. Arrange your clips in order. Drag and drop the videos in the order you want them to appear. Trim or split any part you don't want. 3. Sync the music to the movement. Tap on the audio and make sure the beat aligns with the dancing or lip sync. Adjust the timing to make it feel natural and in rhythm. 4. Add transitions for smooth flow. Click the white square between clips. Choose a transition, like fade or camera shake, to make everything feel connected. 5. Optional. Add text or effects. Want to show the artist's name or title? Add text. You can also apply filters or effects to give it a unique vibe. 6. Export your final video. Once you're happy with everything, tap Export, top right corner. Set the quality to 1080p for the best results. Save it to your device and boom. Your fully AI-generated music video is ready. You can now upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, wherever you want. And just like that, you've created a complete AI-generated music video without singing, dancing, or owning a studio. If you found this video helpful, do me a big favor, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss any of my tutorials. Also, I have a dedicated playlist filled with powerful AI tutorials that will help you run your faceless YouTube channel like a pro, from creating videos without showing your face to generating viral content with just your phone and Faceless AI's tools. Go check out that playlist right now, I promise. It'll blow your mind and level up your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.